For making kulfi, add sugar 1/2 cup and let it caramelize. Add milk 1 1/2 cup. Whisk it properly. Add soaked saffron kesar milk 1/4 cup. Add grinded almonds, cashews, pistachio. Mix it and cook it for a while. Add sugar if needed, 2 tablespoons. Add 1/3 cup dissolved custard powder. Cook it until it becomes lightly thick and then turn off the flame. And let it cool down for some time. Add the kulfi mixture in the kulfi mold. And freeze it for overnight or for about 8 to 10 hours. Like, subscribe for more recipes.